This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people. Uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going. The belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given. They're taken. And I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit. Because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it. What's the deal? What goes on, everybody? How's everyone doing? Welcome to March. We are damn near a quarter done with the year. Time is flying. Winter's over. And, oh, people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Anyone in here off the bottom wick? Probably half the stream.
Gotta make that alarm noise after the intro. I was a little bit late after the intro. I ran out. I was trying to say goodbye to my kids before they dip for school. And I ran in here, and we already had this bottom wick here on this hourly. So, oh well. Yeah, this is good. This is perfect to the level here. He made a bottom wick and flipped instantly. I didn't notice. I just now looked. But yeah, well, let's first of all, let's readjust all these levels. Did a daily bearish yesterday. I think we ended up flipping on the daily, but we just didn't drive down. Benny's just outside being a dog. Okay, perfect. We're bullish at the moment. Been coming up. We've had range 2 breakouts from a bearish bias, so we are bullish right now. We're only looking for buys until a range 2 breakout, and let's see if we get a closure above this most recent level or the nearest resistance at 2888.4. If we can get closures above there, we'll look for buys. If we are to look for sells, I would at this moment need a range 2 breakout. So if we are in range 1 here, we have a level right there, range 2. So sells would probably be I'm not looking for sells till we're below here. Probably actually till we're below right there. Sells below 28.75 at this moment. We might get sells in here, but I really got to see how we print in relation to this wick here. This is going to matter as we start coming down here. So the reason I could take a trade in here is, well, I can't yet. I'm gonna need a support to be formed, but you guys will see a support formed. It typically does that. So you'll see this break down. You'll see this candle break down. Oh, wrong color. Sorry. You'll see us break down. And somewhere within this range, you're highly likely, or you typically form a support. So we're going to see something like this, or we're going to see either or we're going to see this candle close back in range, do this. But we will see some kind of support formed at that moment. Once we can start closing below this candle, right? Once we can start breaking the lows of that support formed, we can look for entries. Top wick here. Again, anywhere within these areas to bring us down. Kabish. We also have news today at 10 a.m. Yes, I checked a bit earlier. We have news right there. ISM manufacturing PMI, 10 a.m. Red folder. The only news we care about today. Zoom door, welcome. Come on in. Join us. A lot of volume there off that level, huh? A lot of orders grabbed. A lot of feelings caught. Till 10, Jay will already have 100 pips. You're not giving him enough credit. Jay already has 100 pips. Too many doubters, Jay. Only got to wait for an email from top one, bro. 24 to 48 hours. I just submitted your stuff yesterday. That's love. Come on, B Rabbit. It's an 85 pip drop. It's Ramadan here in the Middle East. All beer shops closed till the end of the month. You're 2 days sober, craving goddamn beer. Hold on. What happens to you if they catch you drinking beer? No, what's the penalty for drinking beer during Ramadan? And who's they? if they catch me. It's a sin? That's it? During fasting hours, $300 fine and 1 year prison. So what is that, a soft breach? That's a soft breach, right? You still keep your account after that. Rule breach. You can only have 3 wives, not unlimited. Nah, they trying to you know how hard it is to be married to 3 wives? Nah, I can't be living there. I can't believe it. I can't be living in that country. That's a heart attack within the first 5 years of marriage, guaranteed. Copied my joke. What was your joke? Rule breach? Oh. Great minds think alike. But see, bro, the wives have wives, so it works. I don't know, man. 3 wives? I'll be broke after every trip to the mall. I'm good, bro. Damn, look at this 1 hour candle. What are you doing? Damn. Dr. Holmes out there looking like Chip Diamond. You need a sweater, bro. You look like Chip Diamond. A funny shirt. If you guys don't know who Chip Diamond is, that's the psh guy. Psh. Give us a cryptocurrency method to pay your Signal group and Zoom monthly fees. It should be. I don't know what's taking Coinbase so long. I submitted all their notarized stuff and everything on Friday. I don't know what the fuck is taking them so long. As soon as it's up, I'll make a big post. Crypto payments are available. There's a lot of people waiting to pay in crypto because, like, if you're from countries like, I don't know, like Serbia and stuff like that, right? Like, that's what you guys have available to. So. What are we doing here, gold? Pip bottom wick there. What's spot look like? Come here, spot. Goodbye. It's not a pretty 4-hour candle. Yeah, you're looking for closures above the most recent. Oh wait, this is our banger. Yeah, this is it. Appreciate real culture. That's what it is. Your mama ain't hit you hard enough. That's what it is. I bet you if you got hit in the back of the head with a chancleta like 3 or 4 times in your childhood, you'd be liking that song. 100%. So, decision making time. Are we going to create a support here? Establish a support? Or are we going to break down right now? Yeah, I don't see why we should hold here. Came up, had a chance to come back up. Flip on the hourly, did not. Refilled the wick down. Just need some good closures. And in 5 minutes, if we can have a closure belosion, we will be in a position. Closure belosion is very wicks. She don't know me. I don't know your wife. She said, that's so wicks. If she says she know me, she lying. Don't listen to her. That's borderline racist, Farzo. This guy. Zoom door. Two minutes here for the 30 close. Neighbor got two huskies. Get yourself a Benny. If you get yourself a Benny, them huskies ain't gonna be barking for too long. Lock in here, chat. I'm gonna take a sell right there. Just took a sell. I'm looking for a rebreak of the lows here on the next 30. Might have entries right off the top wick on the next 30 if we get a top wick first. There's 1 minute left here. I thought with volume we'd refill that level. Once we re-break the low of this current candle, I'm gonna go break even. Once this current candle re-breaks its own low, I'll probably close partials, but I need it to re-break its own low. Taking a sell right there. I pressed buy instead of sell. I'm sorry, chat. I'm gonna take right there the same four entries that I would have had. I still have the same risk running here. I clicked buy instead of sell and just closed my position. I reopened it right at the same spot, so don't worry. Same position still running, same risk running here. Yeah, so on the signals you're going to see a closure and an opening, but I reopened it. It's the same risk. I did it by mistake. I clicked on a buy instead of sell button. And then in futures, when you click buy, it closes out your positions. It's right next to it. Take another entry right here. Just took a sell. So the hourly loaded up before, was flipped, and then refilled the wick back down. If we start breaking again and closing above the hourly, I'll look to manage risk. But I would expect us to have a bottom wick before the next hourly drives up. If we do drive up. I'm gonna sell right here at the tip of these wicks. I think this is my last pineapple until I get a closure. I don't see another level. Well, I see a level on the flip, but it just doesn't make sense there. Yeah, if it flips, but I can't close on the flip. I have to wait for this candle to actually close. If the 1 hour flips. I'm gonna wait for that candle to actually close. What we don't really like is the fact that it's come down before on that 5 heavy, came up heavy, broke the lows again, and now what is it going to re-break the highs? What are the chances of then re-breaking the lows again? Probably not too high, right? But I need the 30 and the hourly to close here in the 15. $20 minutes here for the 1 hour. Closing full right there. Just close their break even. And break even, I mean counting the fact that I closed the first 2 positions by mistake. So this one had to be the same amount in profit as the first 2 positions were in drawdown. Yeah, I just closed here break even, and I'm going to wait for this. The market gave me a chance to get out. I'm going to wait. How many lots did I use? 2 per entry. I had 8 entries here. Got out with 10 pips. No, I could have gotten more, but as soon as I saw it hit break even here, I'm not going to mess around with it because there's a support right there. Right here that we're right at. If this bottom wick here on the 5 bounces off this support and flips, it's gone. So once it sets up for my position once again and closes below, I'll retake it. But I'm not going to bank on this driving down with this support here to the left and us having this bullish pull back up for the second time. If the, like I said, if this 5 flips bullish here, it's gone. So yo, fuck this correction synchronization again. This should just, correction synchronization just took me for 6 pips. Well, I guess it decided to do what we said it should do, is close bullish here. And create the range too on the higher time frame. Six pips, yes. Correction synchronization. Minus $120. Futures does that a lot, close out positive. And it'll close you out negative. No, I closed out -1 and then it added -6 more pips on correction synchronization. Yeah, if it comes down, we'll have more opportunities off the hourly. I just can't fuck around with the support after this heavy push back up in range. God saved you? No, you're not saved because you went to pray in the bathroom during a break or something. You ever catch yourself just mimicking people? I love watching Trump on the news. I just sit there like... So the 5 never flipped, closed bearish bottom wick. First, this 5 opened up with a top wick. Hopefully we come down. If we come down and break these most recent lows, it'll set up faster for the next position than if we start breaking highs here right now. Thoughts on Zelensky getting... I didn't like it at all. I didn't like it. But on the other hand, I loved it. Like, yeah, they set him up. They set him up. But I think it's a good thing that it happened this way. It's a blessing in disguise. It was like... Trump was right. He was like, this is going to be great television. And it was. But, like... I like them both. Right? And I think there's a huge language barrier in terms of like Zelensky trying to speak and explain himself and them understanding it as what he means, not as they hear it, right? And it's like, oh, he did say these words, but it's like when you understand the language barrier and the translation that he has to make in his head in order to say what he's saying, I can understand like why it would come off wrong. But I can also understand why he says it a certain way, because in my head I understand I know how it would be translated by that culture. He's a corrupt dictator, and the Oscars aren't political. Yeah, when would you rather watch a press conference rather than like a Sports Center top 10? Never. Only now. Only now would you rather watch like the evening news over like the NBA finals. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but like it's good television. Why you don't wear a suit? Don't you have a suit? That was the dumbest thing. That was a reporter asking that. Yeah, that was dumb. I didn't like that comment at all. I like the fact that he doesn't wear a suit until the war's over. Symbolism behind that. Hey, Musk wears a shirt that says tech support. But then again, Musk isn't over there asking for money. Matter of fact, he's just like, no, you know what? Don't give me money. I don't want money. There's no perfect solution to the issue, right? There's no like everything sounds good in theory, right? Like let's have a ceasefire, let's get to the table, you guys get your land, you get your land, but it's like it only sounds good in theory. In real life, there's no such thing as like, all right, like lands aren't going to be given back. They're just going to have to, like, at some point, sides are going to have to settle. And I think Putin is just looking for a way out of the war. He's just looking to come out any way on top where he can come to his people and be like, look, we won. The best outcome is people stop dying. If people, trust me, people don't give a shit, like, what flag is hanging at City Hall. They do, but if it's at the risk of their lives, they don't care. They would rather just live than die, you know what I mean? Yeah, we closed all the shorts. Closed everything, break even. It's pulling back up. But it sucks. It's a shitty situation. It's really the only winner here. The only winner from that meeting was Russia. That was the only winner there. No, we gave it a chance in this range. There's no chance I'm taking another chance in this range. Who's booking their stay at Trump Gaza? It was a power posture move to show Russia they want to make a deal ASAP because Trump doesn't want Russia lining up with China's dangerous situation we're in at the moment. Yeah, I mean, I personally believe Trump is 2 steps ahead, and he's just like, he's way past whatever people are thinking about him. Suits are overrated. I agree. I threw every single suit I've ever had out. Actually, no, I'm lying. I took all my suits to Salvation Army. D&G, Versace, Burberry. Took them all to Salvation Army and got like a $100 write-off. The only suit I own is for funerals. I bought one like for my grandma's funeral like 15 years ago, and I threw it out, and then because I'm not planning on attending any more funerals, and then I had to go to another one like a few years later. I bought one, and then I threw it out again. Try not to plan for anymore, so I throw the funeral suits out. Yeah, the black button down, everything. I just come home, take it off, right in the garbage. Not planning on doing that shit again. You'll need at least one more. Hopefully not. Oh, I got an update on the bot. I'm gonna be doing some testing today on the bot. You might see screenshots come up with it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep them. I'm not a big fan of the screenshot. If I had like 8 entries, you'd see 8 screenshots. Slava Ukraine, get on Slava. Is it key moment in the forex market because it marks the official opening. Yeah, NYC open 9:30, 35 minutes. Thank you, DK. Do I think gold has direction today? Yeah, hopping on the charts here today. I was bearish on gold based on the daily, but I was bullish based on the most recent price action, and I'm still bullish, but we are in a range. Why am I bullish? Because the 4-hour here is still bullish. Well, we're staying bullish. Previous 4 closed bullish, so until we end up closing bearish on this 4-hour, at this point, anybody know when the contract switches? You can't trade on the contract that switches itself always. No, it's not gonna switch by itself for me. I gotta switch it on my own. It switches by itself here on TradingView, but on MT5 I gotta switch it on my own. All right, 1 minute here for this hourly. Need a lot more to happen. Need more candles to print. Right? Because the next candle, what are we going to be doing? Are we going to be creating a bottom wick for the 30 to drive up, a top wick for the hourly to come down? What's going to be the story on the 30, right? So we're going to need some closures. Might be an NYC open position.
Hey, Wix, I can't tell if you're muted on purpose or accidentally, but we can't hear you. Okay, cool.
Sorry. Yeah. No, that was my synchronized swimming instructor. I was just clarifying the color of the Speedos we gotta wear today. We're going with neon green today. Yeah. Lime neon green. She better be synchronized. That's true. Bias, Ivan, I got a question on the stadium closure on which stream. Bias was bullish, closure broke the level. We are in range 3, so only looking for buys, but it struggled a little. Well, you're in range 1, only looking for buys, but it struggled a little and then tap and broke the hourly close below a few. So if you didn't see a range 2 breakout, here's how I see it. Question. So when we do the analysis, this, right? This entire thing is a range. Once we pulled back here and created a resistance here, right? That was, we were breaking down, pulled back on a 15-minute candle, on a 5-minute candle, next 5 came right back down. So once this created this resistance, I look at this as range 1, this is range 2. Because it clearly established the range on that pullback. Once it gave us that closure, I'm looking for a top wick there. So that's my case for a range 2 breakout. Otherwise, why did it hold resistance here, right? Could have just came up. But apparently, it held. You have pineapples coming up. Gives you a chance to get out. You can't hold past these supports. That's where I closed. That support. Good question. Should have done bubblegum pink. It's my kid's favorite color. Hubba bubba pink. That's wild. Trump to address Congress amid Ukraine uncertainty. Damn, I already know how this is going to go. We are stopping all funding. Tomorrow's going to be crazy. Yo, once that deal is reached, I think the markets are going to fucking plummet down. We've kind of been, we've been coming down heavy since the last week of February. Since that range that we really didn't like really come down here. Over 1,000 pips. You know what's crazy? Actually, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. Time for another episode of Imagine the Shit I Almost Say. You guys can just imagine it. You don't have to really. Benny, you mush. What's up, buddy? How are you? Come here. Come say hi. Say hi to the people. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come on. Bring it in. Bring it in for a sloppy one. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. It's your only chance. I won't do it later. Oh, yeah. You're a big boy. I'm trying to bite the mic. He's being friendly. You're a good boy. You're the best boy, yeah. Oh, you hush. Dude, you have a mouth like a fucking shark. The shit goes all the way back to his ears like this. Smile, bro. Smile. What's not good? Is your package missing again? Amazon guy didn't show up? Benny, please stop. Alright. Come on, bro. Let's get out of here. Down. Come on, there we go. Talking about customer service, they said top one disable API won't allow copy trading across accounts. They never allowed copy trading, did they? Or did they before? I'm not sure if they allowed copy. I know they allowed you to copy trades. I don't know about the actual copy trader. I don't know how that works. What's gold doing? Blowing people's accounts. Hold on a second. Sorry, the dog's saliva would be toxic. I don't know. I'm cool. We're hugging him, but whenever he licks me, wherever he licks me, I get like a rash right away. If he licks my hand or if he licks my neck or something.
That's normal because he probably still a puppy, so the enzymes are not cleaning everything yet. And after he licks his butthole and everything else, he comes and licks you. So it hasn't cleaned and dissolved yet. So
Somebody mute Jay, please. This guy. He doesn't do that kind of stuff. He's normal.
Of course not. He's not a dog. You're absolutely right. He's not a normal dog. He walks like a human.
He has manners. He's a well-mannered dog, all right? He doesn't do that kind of stuff. Embrace the rash. This shit, like, look, he licked me on my neck, and now, like, this shit got rashy. Benny, tell him. Hey, stop. Ew. You were right, bro. He's licking his balls. I was trying to prove a point, but your dumbass just proved it for them. This guy. He's cleaning himself? Yeah, he's taking a shower. I don't know, man. He seems to be enjoying that too much for a shower. I want this market to move right now before NYC Open, because if we don't move before NYC Open and we start moving at like 10 minutes after, it's going to be quite a bit of waiting, because we got to wait for news to now hit at 10 a.m. How old was your dog, Warrior? Yeah, I'm all itchy now because of this guy. I don't know, man. I feel like that saliva had a perk 30 in it or something, man. Why you got me itchy, bro? This guy. He knows what the fuck he did because he's looking at me sideways. That's how you know when a dog understands, like, what the fuck they did. They're aware of the situation. When they look at you sideways, that means they know everything that's going on. Like, shit, I'm about to get my ass whooped. Look cute and wag your tail. Saliva has radiation. We're a Chernobyl ass mouth. That's crazy. Call you Fukushima Benny. Got me fucked up. Yeah. Don't be so irrational. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. You deserve a sound effect. I wasn't ready for it. Here, I got you. What's worth? She's from Brazil. How old was the dog, though? How old was she? Well, at least you could be sure that he's in a better place now, or she's in a better place, right? Because all dogs go to heaven. Which means you're probably never seeing the dog again. Three months before turning 9. 9, that's young. That's crazy. Well, it depends on the dog, because if it was like a mastiff, right, it was probably like, yeah, that's pretty much it, right? That's where they top out, around 8 to 10 years. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck wrong with Benny. This motherfucker breathing so hard. I feel like he got COPD. He snores so fucking loud. In dog years, that's 63. Right? You gotta multiply by 7. Benny's 10 years old right now. She pulled you on a bike for 6 years? You ever think maybe that had something to do with her health? Asshole. There's fucking pedals on this shit for a reason, bro. I'm gonna call PETA. Damn. You don't work the dog to death. 6 years? Always had to hold the brakes. Be right back. Dinner time. Bon appetit. Enjoy your pani puri. Or your matar kolcha. Kolka. Bon appetit. Her stomach swelled up like a ball and seemed like she couldn't breathe. Oh, man. They Navalny'd your dog, bro. Russians did it. 100%. They Navalny'd your dog, man. Sounds like Novichok. Put how on earth do you know this stuff? Because I'm pretty cultured, bro. Pretty cultured. Time to smoke? You ain't wrong. We got 2 minutes here for NYC Open, but we haven't done shit. Look at this. Just went to running. My daughter was devastated. Didn't want to leave the room when she took the injection to put her down. Yeah, that's crazy. In Brazil, they have funeral homes and services for dogs. That's crazy. What would they call the funeral home for dogs? Fetch no more? Rough in peace? Bon voyage? Oh shit, that's crazy. I'm sorry. I'm laughing at this tragedy, but ashes to ashes, roughs to roughs. That's wild. I had her cremated. Damn, dog. Smoke and Pause Funeral Home. The Forever Flame. Oh shit. I'm sorry, man. We call it the final fetch. Just trying to cheer you up, bro. Just trying to cheer you up. Damn, ain't shit going on here. Call it Ash and Dash. Ash and Dash Funeral Services. Pause and remember. Word. Burnt biscuit cremations. Can every answer this question? What is the best day of the week to be taking a payout weekly? Monday. Because you don't get to spend it over the weekend. Yeah, Warrior, send me a pic. I want to see the dog. So we're breaking the highs now. NYC open here. Some volume coming in. Steeper top work, but I also want a closure. We haven't had a closure above here. Try to push up. Might make sense here. Excuse me. Possum farewell. Last one. Man, I get so attached to pets. That was like a big reason my dad never wanted like another dog. We had a dog growing up. I had a beagle. We had a lot of dogs growing up, but like in my teenage years, we had a beagle. And after all the kids left the house, my dad was kind of stuck caring for the dog, and then he watched him grow old and die, and like he's like, can't have that emotional attachment no more. So let's push it up, huh? Yeah, news at 10. Cats live way longer. My cat right now is 14. Taught me more than I can imagine. Yeah, I still feel lost when it comes to being too excited to trade on Mondays. I haven't fucked up yet, but I can feel the pressure to place trades. Why? Who do you have to be accountable on that? Who do you have to be accountable to on that end? Your only accountability is to yourself. And if you place a trade you're not planning for, you know, you should be really pissed off. No trade till after 10. That's a big reason why I stayed out of this little pullback back to these wicks. I was thinking about an entry here, but it would have been a good entry. Just news coming up here. You got 20 minutes for news. 23. Can this keep pushing up? For sure. Definitely can. Hey, W Hank, thank you for the 212. Here's your weekly Wix rake back. Petty dono game. You gotta convince everyone else to play. Alright. Petty donation game. Chat. We do this sometimes. We donate, but you have to break the previous donation low. So 212, do I hear 211? Do I hear 210? Petty dono game. Hey, here we go. Hank with 211. Orchard Automotive. Let's go. 999. No, you messed up. You went up. You got to go backwards. Hank's still in the lead. All right, there we go. Caleb, 209. Appreciate that. Thank you, Orchard. Thank you, Caleb. Spaceman Sam, $1.99. Do I hear 198? Oh, Kenny won. Thank you for the dollar, Kenny. I don't think you can go lower than $1. Okay, so I hold my beer. Oh, you can. Orchard just went 79 cent pounds. Well, what would you call pennies in pounds? Pence? Yeah. Does Mike know about that?
Yeah, if it's 79 pence, it's like 100,000 US dollars.
What?
Bro,
Math ain't
British
math.
pound is like the second most powerful currency out there. So even if it's £1, it's like 1 point, I don't know, $40 or something like that. I forgot what the exchange rate was. Let me check quickly.
Yeah, but what is it? What is it called? What are the pennies called?
Pence.
That's what
Pence.
they're called?
PENC. Yeah. It's 127. 1.27. 1 pound is
Damn, almost 1 to 2.
1.27.
Almost like 1 to 180, right?
So, well, 79 cents, 79 pence, sorry, is $1 US. So that's what
Oh,
ended
$1
up
US
happening.
dollar. All right, never mind. It's like 1.25.
Yeah. The British currency is like the second most highest currency out
No,
there.
it's a valuable currency. I'm just saying it's a 1.2.
Yeah. 1.27, yeah.
1.27. Makes sense.
Yeah. And so the US is less than euro and less than pound.
Okay, makes sense.
Pound sterling technically, but yeah, that's why Britain got out of the EU, because their value of their currency is still powerful, and they didn't need to pay all the taxes and take Greece out of the debt with all the crap that they were doing. But now they have a very woke prime minister anyway, so he's destroying the country regardless, like Germany.
Yo, why is my shit frozen right now? Yo! What's going on here? It's 14 minutes till news. Right, we would be buys here if it wasn't news, but I don't know. I don't know what news can do. Could be priced in and bring this down heavy. I don't know. Too close to news for me to look for a position here. "13 minutes. ISM manufacturing PMI. Briefly bearish on the 30s? No, not yet. It's lovely. Lovely opening for 15. Gold is in its way down. It could be. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's too close to news. And a lot of times you might see news be priced in and start moving a little bit before news. So I don't trust the pushes that are, 10, 15 minutes before news. But in general, I would expect the 15 create a bottom wick and flip bullish. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, if there was no news here in 12 minutes, we would be taking these bottom wick buys. Textbook, yeah, pretty textbook. Besides the fact that news is in 10 minutes. Sales looking good today. Right now at this moment, nothing's looking good. I'm gonna wait for news to play out here. Maybe eat a pastrami on rye for now or something. I'm lying. I hate rye bread. Damn, I thought this was a Rice Krispies. This shit says crispy rice. That's a bootleg Rice Krispies. Damn. It's like going to get an Apple Jacks and it said jacked for apples or something. That just threw me off. Crispy rice? Fuck that. Where's Snap, Crackle, and Pop, yo? What in the Aldi? That's what I'm saying. That's some shit. Combs of honey. No, bitch. Honeycomb. That's like Aldi's my pop's favorite store. He swears by it. I'm like, bro, you need to bring like a roll of your own bags and cartons. And he's like, no, it's the best shit, because every time he walks to the car, it's like he's juggling shit, because he's got like 3 of everything. Be acting like it's fucking Soviet times and shit. You know Brezhnev's dead, ma, right? My pops does a really good Brezhnev. Does a really good accent. Get some rash lube and a face mask for Benny. Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it. Benny! I'm gonna put a face mask on him. Put a little note on there from Sam. Appreciate that. $14.99. News in 8 minutes. I smell some. Five registers. Walmart could never. Overall bullish. Check out that shampoo play on the 30. Oh yeah, it's shampooing right now. I'm on the 30. I don't know. The shampoo play was down here. Like, if you, how many shoulders can there be? What is this fucking Goro? Goro from Mortal Kombat? One shoulder here, one shoulder here. Shiva. Wix, you ever tried fasting? Yeah, when I was broke. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of fasting. Yeah, when you're broke, like, when you're hungry, you will fucking eat anything. Dude, I'd drink glizzy water if I had to. Straight up. When I was broke, I was eating fucking ramen noodles, breakfast, lunch, dinner. You eat breakfast in the evening. Yeah, I switched my breakfast to nighttime because in the morning eggs taste like cardboard, but in the evening I started eating eggs. So I'll do like 4 over easies and some bacon right before bed. What you offer in the paid membership? Spelling classes. Five minutes to news. That's right. 4:20 actually to news. Oh man, it's a sign. Yeah, I can't do breakfast at breakfast anymore. Like in the morning, lately I would rather eat like rice and chicken or like beef stroganoff or something, or like mash and like turkey or something, but I can't do breakfast in the morning anymore. So I switched it up. I said I still need my egg intake, right? So I just do it in the evening. Three minutes for news. I'm gonna be here till 11, chat. And after that, I'm gonna go get my hair did. I had a really funny joke yesterday that I forgot to write down. Damn it. I knew this would happen. It's already not the first time. I gotta keep a little like notebook by my bed. I was falling asleep and I thought of a really funny joke. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna remember that tomorrow on stream. I woke up this morning, I can't remember it for shit. Well, you know those when you think about it and you give out a little, you giggle out loud. Even though you're just thinking about it. Fell asleep, never wrote it down. What's up, Benny? You only signal trades on live stream, right? Or you post more trades on Discord? No, signals are all throughout the day. New York and Asian session. Whenever I see it, that's when we get signals. Sometimes after stream, sometimes before, sometimes Asian session, sometimes during stream. Other people at the Zoom door? Yes, there are. Oh, a whole bunch. Sorry. My bad. $20 seconds here for news.
Can you check the Zoom door in the meantime? Quickly, thanks.
Oh, more people. Damn. Yep. Thank you. Lag killed me. How can I join Zoom? Alright. Come on, pending. Flat. We about to get a whipsaw. That's a 4-hour closure. News came out flat. If this can unload, we might have positions here. Need a smaller bottom. Yo, why does this keep freezing? Didn't quite get here. Be careful though, if you're on futures, your leverage right now is ass. You're trading like 1-250 right now. Yes, I said something wrong. No, you actually said something right. It was really funny. It's funny. He said, you're asking for access for Zoom because lag killed you. Oh, shit. Are we okay? My YouTube just crashed for a second. Oh, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, mine too, and I just had to refresh it.
Ah, this is the level here, huh? Yeah, I was looking for this. But I see that the level runs across here. Interesting. Yeah, that might have been, that was it. So 11 a.m. Yep, ballpark 11. I don't think I'm gonna be here past 11, but I also think we should have a position here. It's setting up. If we're gonna have a position, I mean, obviously I'll stay and watch the position play out. But if we don't, then I'll call it. Shut up. Bro, who are you barking at? You alright? Was that Tourette's acting up? This is about as electrifying as a dead battery right now. What the fuck are we doing? Push up. I swear, I'd rather be reading the terms and conditions to some shit than watching this. We said we're about to see a whipsaw. That's what we got for now. Whipsaw. Yeah, the micro's got a steep bottom wick. Spot gold looking pretty much like futures. Damn, that's your dog warrior? Nessa? Cute as hell. That's cool. That was Warrior's dog, y'all. That's crazy. Shit. Look at her. That's cool. Fuck. Was muted for a while, huh? No, I was answering, when we stay on the slow market, it makes us lose patience and easily lose money. Now, if you're aware and you're self-aware of what's going on with you internally, make sure that you correct it. Since you're aware, right? If you're aware and you do nothing about it, and you just continue taking that same dumb position, that impulsive position, then you're gonna get the same old result. Interesting. So I'm gonna take a buy right here. Oh, I pushed it. Just took a buy. Coming up on a 30 close, looking to finish out the range up. We got 7 minutes for the close of this 30. Looking for a rebreak at a high to take us up to the remainder of this range. We pulled up, we broke the high, we come back to tap this wick. I'm looking for a reaction at this wick to come up here and re-break the high for this wick to the left. Alright, move up. I'm gonna close half right there at 11. And I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Make this a risk-free trade. And if it can run up here. What did it close me at? It closed me at 10 pips on the dot. So stops are to break even here. Risk-free trade. We're playing with house money at this point. Let's see if it can run up to the top of the range. Rebroke the high for a split second. So let's see if it can run up to the top of the range, or will it take us out at BE? I got no more risk on the table. I closed partials, so far only 10 pips secured. Let's see if we can re-break the highs here. Alright, closing full right there. Just closed full. Total made on that trade, 28 pips. Close to full at the tip of the wick, the very tip here. 28 pips, and I'm gonna wait for 4 more minutes. We'll probably have more positions here on next 30. Four minutes, we want a top wick to be left. Personally, I would like this to pull back down and leave a nice top wick. Or if it pulls up right now, I'd still like it to pull back down and leave a nice top wick and then take a bottom wick entry. Right, let's get rid of this. Just getting too close to a closure, and if we want a top wick, so we want to pull back, and if we want a bottom wick on the next candle, we want a bigger pullback. So if I want to pull back, I just closed here at this little resistance here. Right there, there's the level. And I'm going to wait for the next candle to pull back, this candle to pull back, and the next candle to give us a bottom wick for a slingshot up. Capiche? You took those buys on that top wick to the left, right, when it retested? Yeah, as we broke it, this wick right here, as it pulled back, I took the buys off this wick. Because that wick falls in line with a level, right? Right there. Right? So I was expecting to see a reaction here and fill the range up. This is something we went over in the inner circle, that level. Anyway, let's wait 3 minutes here. We got 3 minutes for this 30 to close. This next 5 came down to that level again. It's a very small range. This whole range is 40 pips here. It's not a big range. Under 2 minutes. Nice. We need a pullback. We need this to leave a top wick. It would be amazing if it can close above 28.99. It would be even better if it can push up heavy here right now in the next minute and then pull back, because that's what we need. We need a steep top wick. What you don't want is a closure with no top wick or a closure right at 28.99.1. Not much of a top wick here in terms of range for us, 6 bips. First thing we did was open up with a top wick. Let's see how this pushes up. I do not mind a 5 drive, so if we take, let's look at the levels here. Let's redo this, you know what? Let's see, redo our levels all together. I like to do this sometimes if it lets me know if my approach was correct or not. If I'll mark off the same levels as I did initially. One hour looking amazing for now. 25 minutes from now, 26 minutes from now, could get interesting. Yo, for trading classes, yes. By the way, join our Discord. Join our free Discord, and through the Discord, you can sign up for whatever you like. The signals, the inner circle, the mentorship, right? The inner circle is not open right now, so you can sign up for a waiting list. There's a lot of people on that waiting list, but obviously, when the next enrollment comes around, it's not going to be everyone on the waiting list ain't going to make it. A lot of people just get on the waiting list just to be on it, to tell themselves, yeah, that they're going to do it. Yep, I'm going to be on it. I'm going to do it, but you know, it's just talk. So don't, just because there's a lot of people on there, don't mean you shouldn't hop on there. Most people don't, to be honest, most people don't have the means. But you got to invest in yourself. Yeah, join the Discord. A lot of big news should be coming this month. I think you guys are gonna be really happy with everything that's coming this month. A lot of big news. We'll also do our giveaways. There will be 2 more giveaways on Friday this week, so make sure you're commenting on every IG reel this week. Monday to Thursday, there will be 2 25K giveaways on Friday. Congratulations, by the way, to J Mac. He won a 50K account yesterday during our private Asian session. W's. Actually not looking bad, but we got a lot of time here. 24 minutes. This is still going to change. I want this to drive all the way up before the hourly. Maybe another 100 pips up would be amazing. Turpy. What did he call you yesterday? Turpy Two Tokes? That was funny. Tony Two Tokes. I thought Jay Mod won that account. No. I told Jay he's not allowed to win. No, everyone's allowed to win as long as you show up. But yeah, J Mac won. Are you on Bing X by any chance? What the fuck is a Bing X? I don't know what that is. I might have had a short roll on Bang X, but no Bing X. Yeah, it wasn't a recurring role. Guest appearance. Yeah, more of a guest appearance. They asked me to come by, and I did. 20 minutes here for the 1 hour. Damn, this is like staring at a beige wall right now. You ever just look at a beige wall? Like watching concrete dry. Yeah. Like waiting in line at the DMV. Yeah, no, this ain't working out. I need to eat. I need me some protein. I'm about to eat a protein cookie. About to get me a Lenny and Larry's protein cookie. Green, are these good? Can I have protein cookies, bro? Or not? Is that like... Is that blasphemy? That has more carbs than anything? Let's look at it. Serving size half a cookie? Get the fuck out of here! Anybody ever eat half a cookie? Damn, 11 grams of sugar per half a cookie. That's 22 grams for a full cookie. Damn, that's like an iced tea. That is sugar shit, I agree with you. We're just gonna go with a dry scoop then. Quest bars? Alright, I'll go with Quest bars next time. Cookies and cream? Bro, I'm about to head to the store right now. Oof. That's exactly what I thought. Oof. Yeah, I'm about to go to the store right now. Matter of fact, I'm about to go through a Panda Express drive-through. Or no, I'm gonna go to... Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Golden Crust right now. Go get an extra large oxtail, like a FOREX. And I'm gonna have a protein cookie for dessert. Go to the Waffle thing? I can't. I'm not allowed in Waffle House. I'm banned for life from Waffle House. I don't know how they would know, but apparently they do. Bet you smoked a joint in it? No, that's not why. I wasn't even in there when I pissed him off, honestly. Vanilla flavor, no, chocolate only. You know why? Because chocolate mixes a lot better. Like, I don't like, I've noticed that vanilla gets really foamy. But chocolate, you mix it and there's no foam, it's just... Grenade? What's grenade? Ah, they got that shit in Gaza, bro. I love vanilla, but when I get protein stuff, I get chocolate. We the same, Wix. Yeah, you gotta. You get foamy and chunky, exactly. Spot. There's really no top wick on the previous candle. You want this hourly to close. 13 minutes left in the hourly. Wait for the hourly to give you that range. Chocolate just have a safer taste? Yeah, like you can't really go wrong. Yeah. Getting a chocolate protein is like getting tiramisu for dessert. You really can't, like, you're not going to be impressed because tiramisu is tiramisu, but you really can't go wrong with a tiramisu. You try baklava? Yeah, I love baklava. It's delicious. That crispiness and that honey. I'm not big on the nuts, but I love baklava. Which is a little bit different from a balaclava, which is a shit you wear on your head. It's sugar syrup, not honey. Nah, I make that shit with honey and pistachios. Yeah, I don't even make it. My girl makes it. Gotta be with fresh pistachio inside, then it's perfect. Baked dumplings? That's crazy. No, we make dumplings in like a dumpling cooker. 9 minutes for this 1 hour. We close like this, we're looking for buys on the next 1 hour bottom wick. Woke Up Money Concepts is saying shit about you on his live. I don't know who that is. What the fuck is Woke Up Money Concepts?
Yeah, I think woke up money concepts is we just woke, so who gives a shit? Don't know who that is and don't care. But if they're talking about you, it's because they know that you're doing well and that you're winning 120 straight wins on stream.
They called me break even wicks. I'll take it. It's Duncan. What the fuck is a Duncan? I don't know what that is. I'm focused on myself. Look, the only thing I'm attempting to do here is provide value through my own trading. You can have whatever opinion you want on it. That's all I'm doing. Literally 100% of my deposit 2 times already, once on XAU and now on futures. W. Yeah. You got scammed for 200%. Yeah, I never heard of that. I never heard of a Duncan. He lives in Cali, I think. Yeah, send that info over to Jay. He'll take care of it. Four minutes here. which means I still have time to do the damn thing. Oh no, never mind. I thought my J flew away. Kenny sleeping? Must be a good blunt. No blunts? Yeah. Let's say, passed out. He turned into Sir Mix-a-Lot. I like big blunts and I cannot lie. Sir Smokes a lot. Oh, don't start that conversation, lone trader. Top one make an announcement yet? No, not yet. Oh, what? Trump is doing a joint address? I gotta see this. He better be smoking a raw on the podium. We talked to Don. I haven't spoken to Don in like a month. Been a little while. Yeah, I called him like 3-4 weeks ago. He didn't pick up. "30 seconds here for the 1 hour close. I need bottom wicks. We got a bottom wick, we'll have an entry. We come up and with a top wick and break the previous candle high, I'll call it a session. That'll be the stream. Oh man, And we closed right at this level too, right? That's ugly because previous closure at that level took you straight down. Let's look at the 30 and the 15. Top wicks not made. Only difference is this was a drive down. We're moving up now. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think 93 areas would have to be entry, at the very least. What's it gonna be, gold? What's it gonna be? Nothing. Gotta be my loctician at 11:30. Can we come down for a bottom wick, or will we end up re-breaking the highs? What are we doing? Session's done. Everybody go home. That might be right, depending on what this candle does right now and how long it takes to do it. What up, Jose? Just got it. Gave a like. Now I'm out. Peace. Gotta go. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, if we start breaking highs here, we'll call it a session. Needed a steep wick here. 93 areas ideally. Could still happen. Might just hold this area and come down altogether. We'll see. A lot will depend on timing, how long it takes to do what it's doing. Later, Jonathan. See you tomorrow. Hasta la pasta. Just looking at some mirrors here and gonna see what it's done before. And last time you drove up through here, topped out. Yeah, when it topped out here, price came back down. Even here, you see that wick right to our level, 28.93 here. Came up, tapped that area before the run up. What time was this? Oh, this is evening. This was 8:30. This is middle of Asian session. This was market open 2 weeks ago, or a week ago. Last week Sunday market open. Amazon is here, bro. How much shit can you really order? Oh, what up, Nick? TTE in the building. W. What's going on, man? Hey, I didn't realize you made this shit on your own. I thought you bought ice cream at 42 grams of protein. I was like, bro, put me on, because they're not selling this shit at Publix. This guy sent me a whole recipe on how to make ice cream. When do you find the time, bro? That's wild. That's one thing about TTE. Like, he always responds. This guy always replies. Like, he responds in detail. Quick and easy, the machine does all the work for you? Which machine? You got an affiliate link? What machine? Ninja Cream. Look that up right now. He said it with an exclamation point. Creamy. Ninja Creamy?
Can you press the stop the line?
Ice cream maker? Yeah, it's at my level, but I wanted it at 93 here and before this hourly close, because this can plummet heavy here, based on the range we just had. I see it's squeezing, so it's either gonna pop heavy or it's gonna drop heavy. One of the two, but I don't. If I'm looking for bottom wick entries on the hourly, this gets a little tough because that 15 is about to close. 2 minutes left. And you would expect a slingshot before then. So if it doesn't do it off this level, which isn't good enough for me, it needs to do it off this level at 93. But that we have 2 minutes left, right? This 15 is most likely going to close bearish if it decides to head down to our level. The key was to slingshot off this area, bounce and drive right away. Not to wait for the market to get there, because as the market is coming down, as it's taking its time, this becomes a stronger indication of us coming down, because the market is able to maintain a bearish candle for a longer period of time, right? We also see historically at this area, we didn't even need a flip in a top wick. Market just came straight down, right? But this was the move down. So on the move up, when we topped out at this area, 28.99, the market came down here before driving up. It didn't bottom out at 96. I see 96 as an area, but if we didn't have this level here, I'm taking it off this area, but we do, and we also had a range formed here. It's tough for me to take this because this can give you a reaction, but not a rejection. It could just plummet heavy past this. That's why I wanted that entry here at a pineapple level, right? Especially it's out of volume time, right? We're past 11, so I really want to get the optimal entry, because if it starts trickling down to our pineapple here, it's going to take a long time for us to be in that trade. So I'd rather have these entries down here. It's a good level, like, right? We had that on point. We could have sniped it over there too, but not with this in the way. So there's quite a few things it's telling me to hold up. You know, yo, this ice cream maker is looking pretty dope. I was wondering how you get that same cup every time. That's the ice cream cup. Ice cream maker cup. SW. Nobody knows nothing. It's fun. Thank me later, bro. It's legit. Yeah, this shit's coming to the Wix 9 household right near. TTE, Wix stole your playlist? What do you mean? Don't tell me TTE is playing the same music here, bro. This is a 12-hour playlist. Do we have the same playlist, bro? I found this shit like last week in the evening, just looking through copywritten, non-copyright music. That's hilarious if this is your playlist. It's called The Relaxed Movement. 12 hours of copyright-free music. That is really hilarious. That's funny. Why nobody say nothing? You guys got me out here for a week with this playlist. Damn. I don't say nothing. Nobody knows nothing. Hey. Yo, TT, bro. Green told me that these are the best, highest quality cookies I can buy. He said if I want some protein, Green said he builds his program, his coaching program around these. What do you think? Are these good or no? Green said he eats like 4 of these before bed. Rather do the ice cream? Me too, bro. I might do the ice cream and just crumple that cookie in there. 196 grams of protein. Or Quest Bar cookies and cream? Fire? You don't say. Really, Quest Bar. Huh. Damn. Nah, you fuckers talked about this before stream. I know it. There's no way you recommended the same thing. You guys discussed this before. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm gonna run, go get my locks tightened.
Thank you, Wix. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to like and sub. It's free. And we'll see you guys in the Asian session for people that are in the Signals channel. And
oh, wait, TT, hold on. Nick, don't leave. We're gonna spam dubs in here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hold on, Nick can't leave. You gotta be the #1 spammer of the dubs. Alright, gang. We're at 120 wins in a row on stream. 28 pips here today. Spam some motherfucking dubs. Let's go. W. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's call it a session. I hope your day goes well. Don't over risk, don't over leverage, don't over trade. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house today and never make it there. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, same time, same place. You know the deal, same shit, different toilet seat. See you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. All right, Zoom gang, see you on the Clubhouse side of things. And Signal channel, I'm not going to be dropping signals right now because I'm leaving. I'm dipping right now. I got to run. I'm late. Got to be there in 10 minutes. And I'll see you tonight, though. I will be back at around 8 p.m., so signals will be live, right? We'll be trading live in the Signal channel. I'll also be testing the Signal bot, so I'll let you guys know when I'm testing it, so look out for that. All right. Outside of that, chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Later.